Hi everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. I'm Dale, and today I'm going to be talking about the different types of calls used to hunt turkeys. First up, we have the box call. A box call consists of a box and a paddle. The paddle produces a hen yelp when brought across the edge of the box. While there are many different configurations, box calls are typically easy to learn and are a great tool for that new or experienced turkey hunter. Next up, the pot or friction call. With the pot and friction call, the top surface will be made of glass like this one, slate, or aluminum. It's also encased in plastic or wood. They are very user-friendly and produce softer, more mellow tones. Friction calls give the user a lot of control in making specific vocalizations. If you're going to use a friction call, you're going to need a striker. The striker is used to scratch the friction call surface and create the sounds. Next up, the diaphragm call. This call is made up of an aluminum frame, surgical latex that's stretched to a certain tension inside that frame, and waterproof tape that's around it. While the mouth call produces some of the most realistic tones and sounds, it can be much more difficult to master. This call requires practice and patience to learn. Once a hunter is comfortable, diaphragms can be totally hands-free. Hunters will often need to try several different calls to find the best style for their personal use. Finally, we have locator calls. This call is used to locate a gobbler. It'll usually be a crow call or an owl call. Male turkeys will oftentimes gobble at the sound of other animals or loud noises, often called a shock gobble. These help you pinpoint their location. I hope this video has given you some ideas of what kind of calls you'll use when out chasing turkeys this spring. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as we have a lot more turkey hunting knowledge headed your way. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect.